I'm very happy that you got to hear about our Retire Assure plan. I am also assuring my retirement well. But I've been doing that since I was 12, so it's okay. Let me just do something for all of you. This is not just my national anthem, but also, no, it's not the buffet song. It's not Balutin. It's also not the Hope There's Forever, like Sana Wala Na Wakas. It's the other one. But it also can apply to, I think, what in life can do for all of us. So this is for all of you. This song has been done by other artists, but I recorded this, the original version, again when I was 12. That was just a few years ago. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Sabay tayong maging secure sa retire assure natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Thank you so much. So aside from doing Sharon in gatherings, of course, we should Sharon first and foremost for our future within life. Thank you so much, everybody.
Kahit pa pumila ang buko, wow! Resume, Sleepy, and Happy Echoes, of course, Retire Assures Promise.